So this is a little thing, but you know, it's the little things that get you sometimes. So this one was cracked. And now had I noticed that, I would have drilled this and put nails in, and then that way when I cut it, it would be a nice straight cut. But it's okay. It's just for the header. It's not a big deal. So I pre-drilled it, put some two number 12s in there. That'll hold it together. And I pre-drilled this. This will be nailed up into the beam. And then over here, I'm ready to make my cut to finish this one off and to start the next one. But this knot here, you definitely want to avoid these knots in hemlock if you can, because they are hard to cut. These are super hard. I mean, knots in general are hard, but I'll tell you, they're really hard here. So I moved it over. I think going by the back side, I'll be okay. Over to here, but I still might hit it some, but hopefully not too much. Oh yeah, I probably am going to hit it. Oh well, we're going to make it through. It's going to be a good workout, but I can't avoid it too much. If I come over to here, I guess that still wouldn't be bad. As far as distance, still give me one long enough. So maybe that's what I should have done, but oh well, I got it all marked. I'm going to cut it. Okay, let's finish it. Might take a break and start another task here. We got some electrical to work on.